Hi, for episode 154 tip of the week, this is demonstrating how to use a customized notification sound for a given contact within your Telegram. A little over 10 months ago, John demonstrated how to block someone on Telegram, and he used me as his guinea pig. And I've been holding that grudge against John now for quite a spell. And so today I'll be demonstrating how to add a customized notification for a given individual, and I'm calling this one Knuckleheaded John. The first thing you want to do is to be sure that you have opened up a conversation between you and the person that you would like to assign a customized notification for. I have opened up a conversation between John and I, and now what we need to do as a second step is to tap on More Options found near the top right. I'll now tap on More Options.
More Options button.
Here is More Options. Tap.
Pop-up window. Mute.
The first thing we heard is mute. We're not muting John, although I could decide to do that, but that's not the crux of the matter. What I want to do is assign him that Knuckleheaded John notification sound. So we tap here on Mute.
Back.
We are now on a button that says Back, and that's found near the top left corner. Now, if you're someone who likes swiping, you need to swipe 3 times to get to where it says Custom or Customize. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if you're swiping, just go ahead and swipe.
Disable sound.
You swipe again.
Mute for.
We hear mute for. So if you tap here, you could choose, hey, mute John for X amount of hours, or permanently mute John. But that's not what we're after. We're after the customize. So here's what we're looking for.
Customize.
Customize. We tap. And what we're looking for on this page is an item that's nestled between Vibrate and Stories. And what we're looking for here is an item called Sound. I'll now put my finger down and tap on Sound.
Sound.
Here is Sound. We tap.
John Dyer, notification sound, out of list.
We're now on a page that says John Dyer notification sound. And here are several radio buttons that you could choose from. But however, we have created our own, and I created mine. I just called it Knuckleheaded John. I recorded it actually, and I placed it in my notification sound or my notification folder, but it's not going to be seen among the radio buttons here that we can see on
Radio
this page.
button, banjo, not checked.
So what we want to do is tap on Upload Sound, and that's found near the top across the screen, or about an inch from the very top. We'll find that Upload Sound.
Upload sound, 3 of 64.
Upload Sound, that's what we're after. We go ahead and tap.
Telegram, internal storage, browse your file system, in list, 3 items. Attach media.
Here we are told we could browse our system, and or below that you could also go to the Telegram folder if you have saved a sound there in the Telegram folder.
Telegram, browse the apps folder.
But mine is not there, so I'm going to tap on the one that says Browse My System.
Internal storage, browse your file system.
There we go. So I tap.
Recent, show routes, button, out of list.
And here you could tap on Show Routes, but by default it places you in the Recents. And of course, my file that I'm after is sitting here in the Recent. And I'm going to put my finger down.
Knuckleheaded John.mp3, 2:13 p.m., 62.49 kilobytes, MP3 audio.
There's a Knuckle John headed file. What you want to do is long press it.
1 selected.
We're told that 1 is selected, basically 1 file selected. And now near the top right, you're going to find something that says Select.
Select, button.
There we go. There's a Select. We tap.
Telegram, internal storage, browse your file system, in list, 3 items.
And we're back to where we could browse our system again. And this time though, I'm going to go back.
John Dyer, upload sound, 3 of 64, in list, 64 items.
And now we need to scroll down and find
Radio
the one
button.
that says
Alpha. Not checked. 11
Knuckleheaded
of 6.
John.
Radio button. Glitter. Not checked.
We got a glitter.
Radio button. Prism. Not checked.
Oh, I went too far. Let's scroll back up.
Radio button. Masterpiece. Not checked.
Let's scroll back up.
Radio button. Guitar. Not checked.
Too far
Radio
up.
button. Knuckleheaded John. Not checked.
Here is Knuckleheaded John. And all I need to do now is simply tap on that to make it my notification for when I get messages from John. I'll tap here. Knuckleheaded John. There we go. You heard Knuckleheaded John. And that's it. We've got John set to Knuckleheaded John. And that's how you go about assigning a customized notification to a given contact from within your Telegram.